Hello everyone, this is Victory. Today we have one T-block machine which is used for rolling shuttle slat. Here's the profile. So we can see this hook will be joined together with the shuttle slat, and this one is the button of the shuttle door. And here is the completely line. It's already finished the testing in the workshop, but I'm going to show you how we build up the line. This is completely built. And we have combined the delta system for control panel, and we have applied the saw cutting. Stop saw cutting. Here is Turkish head for adjusting the shape. And here we have combined the 27 rolling stations. The line was driven by chain. It's driven by chain. It's side roller, support roller, forming roller. The line has combined the 27 rolling stations. The structure is casting pillar, chain transmission, and it combined the 11 kW motor. For LOTOS, for our company, we are specialized in the rolling door shuttle section. And if you have followed up our YouTube channel, you will see we have a lot of different types of the rolling shuttle, PU foam, the single layer, and also we have the garage rolling door, and even we have the freezing room PU foam the door. And especially here, we will put the feeding guide. And here, this unit is such kind of like oil lubrication. It can protect the galvanized sheet to damage the rolling rollers. It can prevent. Here, we will add some lubrication oil once the sheet is galvanized material. You can see our chain is heavy duty. So from the input part, we can review the line. 1, 2, it's kind of rolling stations. Okay, we're trying to turn on the machine. We're trying to turn on the machine to let you see how to run. In the last station, we have added this kind of the gear. This is the product. T button for shuttle slat. And the cutting method way is saw cutting. And here, once we do cutting, it will be clamp the workpiece, and this cutting head will down, and you can see the cutting surface is very flat, no scratch. It's very smooth, the cutting way. Okay. Here is the completed line for T-button shuttle slat. Thank you.